Diva Tribe, it's time to show you how I went from this to this. Believe me, you don't want to miss this video. This blue bob wig is everything. Watch me slay this wig. Diva Tribe, it's your favorite diva, Dangerous Diva. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Come on in and relax yourself. Check out a few more videos and see why I should be your favorite diva. Here on the Dangerous Diva channel, you'll find music, you'll find love, you'll find laughter, you'll find fashion, you'll find fitness, you'll find a little of everything. So if that sounds good to you, subscribe and become a part of my Diva Tribe. It's totally free. You hear me? It's totally free. You hear me? It's totally free. And you can ring my bell. Ring my bell. My bell. Ring, ring, ring. Ring my bell. That would make me so happy. And that would help you out so you would know every time a diva uploads a video. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, I am so excited. I am super duper excited because I'm unboxing my first wig. If you've been watching Vlogmas, whoa, okay, a little excited here. Calm down, diva. Zen, okay. If you've been watching my video, you know that it's a diva's birthday week. It's in a few days, or should I say month. A diva has been celebrating her birthday all week. I've been purchasing things, buying my own gifts, getting, you know, my hair, makeup, clothes, fits ready. Okay, because that's what divas do. And I'm super excited about this. This is a wig from Afsister or Afsister. I don't know. If you know how to pronounce it, let me know. I'm super excited. I'm ready to unbox this and let you guys know how their wigs really fit, if it really melts, the lace really melts, the coloring, the tint, all that good stuff. So I'll let you see the construction up close and all that good stuff. So if you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe. Let's get into this video. And also, don't be afraid to leave me a feedback below. Let me know what you think of this wig. If you've purchased from them before, let me know. Let me know your experience in the comments below. I'll meet you there. Okay, Diva Tribe, let's snatch this cap off. Yes, my sister did that. Shout out to Beautiful Yas. Go check out her channel. She braided me up very nicely and she knows all about wigs, so check out her channel. Now onto this beautiful blue wig. This is the packaging that it comes in, a black box. It's a little beat up because it's an international shipment. Now look at this. Isn't she lovely? Beautiful royal blue. Oh, blue is my favorite color, honestly. Blue and purple, favorite. Now let's talk about the construction of the cap. It comes with the 3 combs, one on each side, one at the bottom with an adjustable strap. The adjustable strap has like the bra-like adjustable. Yeah, you could sew on a better strap. I will do that. I just didn't have time to do that while filming. This is what comes in the package. A little black scrunchie with a star and a wig cap. Nothing spectacular, pretty simple, but this wig was very affordable, under $100. That's why it's a must-have. Now ladies, let's just pop this wig on to see if it's a ready, set, go wig. I wouldn't say it's a ready, set, go wig. Kinda, sorta. But I'm a little disappointed because it's not plucked that well as the pic. Oh, and look at the sides. I did not know it was going to be a 4x4 lace. The pictures that were shown on the site were nothing. I repeat, nothing like this wig. Look at the wig. See, this is the picture they showed. Look how it's plucked so well. Oh my goodness. But you know what? A diva's gonna work it out. We're gonna put this wig on the canvas and try to pluck this baby. Mind you, disclaimer, this is my first wig. This is my first wig ever, so this is my first time plucking. But you know what? I can do all things through Christ Jesus who strengthens me. I'm a child of God. I will try this, okay? I learn fast, so if I don't get it first you don't succeed, dust yourself off, try again. So here we go, baby. Pluck game. Let's go. I'm plucking away. Now I know and I hear when you pluck, you gotta be careful because you do not want to make bald spots on your wig. I repeat, you don't want to make bald spots on your wig. So I made sure not to go aggressive, but after it wasn't thinning for me the way that I wanted it to, man, I went in there aggressively. As you can see, my fingers got happy and I was going faster. And I'm plucking. I combed it out to see how much hair came out, and not much. Did you see that? So I'm pluck. And I still don't seem like I'm having much luck. You know, it's removing hair, but not the amount that I want to see. So I'm showing you a close-up of it. It could be better, but I used my pressing comb to lay down the hair just to see. And you know, it's not sparse, it's not as thick as it was, but you know, it's a little progress. So once I saw that it wasn't really going nowhere, I just went on to the cap to tint the lace with this spray. It's amazing. You can use makeup, but I chose to use this spray, and I'm shaking. Oh man. All right. So I sprayed the tint on the lace and it made the lace match my skin much better than it was prior. So I just used my makeup brush to blend it in, and voila. You see that? And now I'm just going to make sure it stays there by putting on this layer of hairspray to set it. Now, you see that? Color looks much better. Now we're going to spray some glue, hairspray glue to glue this wig down, the 4x4 lace, and then we are going to cut it off. Hairspray with the dryer so it can get tacky and glue the wig down. You know, I really hate when hair companies show you other pictures of wigs that is not the wig. I am definitely going to experiment with this wig to see if it is more pluckable. Oh, I ran out of my Nairobi foam spray. So I just used what I had and tried to make it work. It wasn't enough, but I used it on my hair to lay my hair down so I could cut some baby hair. So I'm just pinning my hair back, and now I'm gonna cut some baby hair. It was super hard to cut this lace while filming. Yeah, I didn't know it'd be that hard, but after I cut the lace, I didn't like the tacky glue still left there, so the residue, I got some alcohol, sprayed it on a Q-tip, and then rubbed my forehead dry. And it was much better, but I still didn't like that the front of the hairline wasn't where I wanted it to be. So I got some baby hair, of course, just a couple of pieces. It was hard to do that on camera as well, but overall the color of this wig is the best. I ran my flat iron through it, and then this is the finished look. yes. The best thing about this wig is the color. It's a vibe, y'all. I do recommend this. It's under $100. You won't be sorry. Thanks for watching the Diva. See you in the next video.
Diva Tribe, thanks so much for tuning into this video. Please let me know how the final look is for you, for me. What do I rate it? I rate it 7 out of 10. I rated that because it's not like the wig that I ordered on the website. I really do hate, it's my pet peeve when fashion and hair companies portray pictures of products that are not what they sell. So I give it a 7 out of 10 because the lace front is not full lace. They showed a full lace front,
It was only like a 4x4, and then my kids are going crazy in the background. Sorry. I'm finishing my video. Okay, let me finish. Deal with it right now. He hit you? Okay. But I'm trying to talk to Diva Tribe. Okay, hit him back. How about that? Okay, go tell Daddy. Mama needs to finish her video. Okay, so like I was saying, with my kids yelling and crying in the background, that, yeah, that's my pet peeve, when companies put up wrong pictures, okay? So with that being said, the lace front, I tried to pluck the hairline in the front, and it was a fail. I don't know if this is some lace that won't pluck, but your girl, she tried to pluck it with the tweezers that I have. I don't know if those are hair tweezers, but maybe I'll purchase some from the beauty supply and then give it another try and play with this wig. The wig is very affordable. It's under $100, so I can't complain that much, which is why I rated it like a 7-8. But the color is beautiful. I love blue. It's my favorite color, and I love the color. They nailed that, but I just don't like the hairline in front. The front. It's plucked more so at the part. I forgot to put some concealer here on the part. I will tomorrow when I take some pictures. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I'm Dangerous Diva. I should be your favorite by now. If not, make sure you check out another one of my hair videos up here. And also check out some fashion videos if you love fashion. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, when you have love, you have everything. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Yes.